Upstairs? Got 10 upstairs.
10 upstairs. Hey, one call, we're rolling this one.
Trev.
What? Okay, well, which one is it? Thanks, man.
What did you see when you went up there?
There was 2 more guys on the right. I got one at the center. I did not see what was left.
Do you think I could get in that stairwell and get a grenade in?
Yeah. I don't know about now.
Gotcha. I'm gonna go for it. Cover me, I'm gonna get a grenade over that wall.
Dead man walking.
I can't get my pouch open. Well, fuck, it's all friendly right there. I hope they were already dead. Is that green shooting at us?
Yeah. Green.
Green, green, green over here, green. Green, green.
Hey, we see you. You're good.
Get out of your way. Getting out of your way. Walking away. Oh. Get out of here. Back out of your way. Back out. I'm just gonna go downstairs. Lock the girl, lock the girl, lock the girl, lock the girl. Hey, you're friendly! I told you! We're friendly! We're green!
But watch, he was carried away the fucking other guy.
What about this one right here?
That dead in there. I have not been in. I don't know if there's live with him.
Sorry for my buddy, he's a retard.
That's okay.
Hey, up and to the right. There's someone in there. I don't know if he's dead or not. First room on the right, through that double door.
I saw. I don't know about this one. Hey, there's a stairway right here, Jason. Yeah.
Hey, it's probably green coming up. Let's confirm it.
I'm gonna just call that wrong. I'm fucking dead right. Hey, get people up!
Stairwell, are you green?
I don't think so. Dead man. Dead.
I had buddies pushing the other way before I came up this way.
What color? He's not green. Green?
Dead man coming out. Coming out. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. You dead?
For sure, Tan?
Yeah. You dead?